Yay! Yay! Bonyay! Bonyay! Let's go play! You know what time it is?
Yeah.
What time is it?
It is slime time.
Slime time!
Yeah.
Cam time! What's those, man?
Huh?
What you got going on right there? What is that stuff?
Slime and stuff.
Slime and stuff? Oh, that's pretty cool. You got it, Cam.
I got these.
Uh-oh. It's time to get down and get it with some slime time, bud. What do you think? Huh. Oh, it's gonna be crazy. How do we get that out of there? Oh, very carefully. Oh, might as well just do that. Oh, they're so light. Okay, listen. Come on. No, don't. Don't blow them, dude. They're gonna disappear. Look at that.
It's that. Ow.
Dude, look at that.
It's that. That's slime.
That's slime. Okay. Well, you help me with that side, and let's see if we can get that out there and mix it together, huh?
Yeah.
Look, oh, that's cool. That's cool. Oh, looks like some blue snot.
It's my head.
It's like blue snot.
Wow.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. Is that all of it? I don't know, man. Is that all of it? Let's see. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see how much more we can get. Oh, whoa. Wait, there's more. It's like some little sharks in there or something.
Yeah.
Let me see. Dude, those are little sharks. Look, y'all see that? Y'all see those little sharks? Look at those colors. That's pretty awesome. Look at that, dude. Ah, don't get scared. Alright, so get all the little balls together. Mix them. Oh, look, it's made like a little blob. That's cool, man. Look at that.
What's happening to all the balls?
The slime is eating them.
No more. No more, Dad.
Look.
Show it.
Oh. Here, pull it. Got some sharks in there. Got some glitter in there. What kind of slime ball is that? Oh. Dude.
Dude. You just sit on me? No.
Oh. Is that like a belt?
What you did?
So what if we made like some little balls like that? There's like a lot of them. Oh. Look, when it opens up, the balls fall out. So gotta get all the balls back. Get all the balls back. And then you break it. You break it. Break it. Whoa, it just keeps going.
What you doing with the belt?
Does it bounce like a ball? Oh, it does. Dude, it does.
Oh, it's melting.
Whoa, is it melting? Oh.
Stop! Shoot.
Oh no! Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Oh, I need a tissue, please. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I need a tissue. Oh no! That's not a tissue. That's more snot.
There's a tissue.
Oh, there's a tissue. Let's see. Oh, fart.
A slime.
Oh, that felt good.
Not time. Shoot. Shoot me.
What's this mean?
I need tissue. I need a tissue.
Oh, let me get that for you, sir. Oh, this stuff is so easy to clean up. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it.
Oh, I love it.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
So it's me.
Oh look, you can even roll it like this.
See?
Can you roll it like that? Oh no! Oh.
What?
Boink.
What? Boing.
Hey. Boink.
Boom. Boom.
Oh, it mixed, huh? Now how are we gonna unmix it? How are we gonna unmix it? Dude.
It's mixing.
It's mixing. It's mixing.
You want like this?
Whoopsie.
Oopsie. Mom, don't.
Oh. Boom, boom.
This is wonderful.
Let's see.
Boy.
Oh. Almost. Boom, boom. Oh, that sounds different.
Boy, boop.
Oh. Oh. Now let's listen to this one.
Ah!
Here you go.
Thanks.
You got some on your. What's going on? What's going on, dude? Oh no. Oh no. Well, that's interesting. We just won't. Hey, just don't show mom. Just don't show mom, okay? Yeah. Hey, dude.
Hey.
Hey, man. Watch out. Watch out.
Hey, man, watch out.
Oh no! Oh no! It looks like a brain.
Yeah.
It looks like a brain. Don't look like a brain. I want to eat your brain. Nom, 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 nom. Oh no! You pull that side, I pull this side. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, hey! It worked. It worked.
Give me
It worked.
that one.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Bing, bing, bing.
What happened?
It's a slime hammer. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Oh, if he had a name, what would his name be?
Gloomy.
Bloomy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That works. Would he make sounds like that when he moves?
He's very turned off.
Wait a minute, not his leg came off. How do you know that's his leg?
His teeth bite. He. Ah!
How do you know his legs and his arms? How do you know? Oh no. Oh no. And then he gets all back together again.
What happened, Dad?
What happened? Oh no! Oh no!
Help! Help me! Help!
What's going on? What happened?
He just hurt in the slime.
Nut got stuck in the slime.
What happened to him?
I don't know.
He got stuck.
Now what happens?
And he got stuck. No.
Are you gonna help him out or what? I mean, what?
Use his hair.
Oh. Oh no. Hey, yay, you saved the day. Oh man.
Get him out. Get him out, Dad.
Oh man.
Ah, my heel.
Oh wow, dude.
What the? Ow.
Dude, is that a donut back? Get that donut out of here, dude. Oh, what's going on there?
He did that. Ah. Did that donut.
Is that a heart? Don't break my heart, my achy, breaky heart. Oh, not in the slime. Oh, it's a slimy heart now? Oh, man. Oh, no. Look, there he comes again. Right on top of the heart. Oh. 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 Is she gonna save the heart? Wait a minute. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. What's that? What's that bowl?
This is our construction site.
This is the construction site, huh?
Yeah. The heart is construction site. Put the heart right there.
Oh, oh no! Did you say no, but kept going? I don't know if that's how it works, dude.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, no. Hey, dude. I thought you were helping the heart. What's going on? All right. Wait a minute. Oh, good job. Yay, come save the day. Come save the day. Doo-dum-dum-dum. Yes. Hooray!
I wish it the heart. Oh, where is? Tow truck place.
What's going on? It's tow truck Blaze.
Is this a base?
Yeah, it's tow truck Blaze.
Tow truck. the base. Once he's driving the slime once.
Oh, he's driving in the slime?
Yeah. And watch him too.
No. Oh, is he stuck or what? No. Oh. Well, this is a pretty slimy situation.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the heart. We were wondering what happened to the heart. There's the heart. The heart is back. What's going to happen with the heart?
Is it all fixed up?
Oh, going to get it all fixed up?
First, yeah.
All right. Oh. 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 It's getting smushed. It's getting smushed. You're smushing the heart?
Yeah.
Oh no! What did the heart do? Why are you doing this to the heart?
I know.
Oh. Oh, even more? Can all of it fit on there? What do you think? Oh, what's going on now?
I know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's my face.
Not my face. What, is she taking a nap or something? Oh. Back on the slime on the face or loading the truck back up?
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh, it got stuck, huh? So you were loading the truck up to come put it on the heart?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wake up. Just to come get some more slime. How much slime this time? Oh, dude. That's a lot. That's a lot of slime.
Yeah.
That's a lot of slime. Whoa. Beep, beep, beep. Vroom, vroom, vroom. I know where you're going. I know where you're going. Uh-oh. Coming over to the heart. That's a lot of slime. Go dump it out. Oh.
Yeah. It's there.
Oh, wow.
This one. No. Don't touch that.
What's happening?
Hit it. More slime.
Oh, picking up even more slime?
Yeah.
Are those buttons?
Oh, where?
On top of the bulldozer, are those buttons?
What?
Oh, that's pretty awesome.
Ow.
That's pretty awesome. What else does it do?
Ow.
Oh no, what happened?
I hurt myself. I hurt myself.
Oh no, what are you gonna do? Oh, you stuck to some slime?
I did some slime.
Oh. Ew, where's that going?
To the landfill.
To the landfill, huh?
Yeah, he's going to the landfill. He's a wolf.
Uh-huh. What's happening? Oh. What's Blaze looking for?
The heart. To find it.
Is it off in there somewhere?
It's in deep slime.
Oh, it's in deep slime, huh?
I can find it.
Oh, Heart, where are you?
Hi, where are you?
Where are you, Heart? Where you go? Where you go, Heart? Where'd you go? Wait a minute. What is that? Oh, what is that? What did you find, dude? Ding. Oh, and then he goes away again.
Bye bye.
Wait a minute. I thought you were coming to get the heart. What's happening? Oh, you're out of here. Stuck. What is that? Not a slime smoothie. Oh no! What's the flavor?
Blueberries.
Oh.
Very fluffy.
Oh, what's gonna happen? Look at it go. Oh. It's like a cupcake. Oh no. Smash. Oh man. What's going on? Oh. And look, there's the heart. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, what's going on now?
What happened, Dad?
What is that?
Blueberry slushy.
Oh, a blueberry slushy with love. Mmm.